Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a flat site and gathering materials so you can work without stopping. Measure length, width, and height precisely. Once done, cut panels to those dimensions so pieces fit tightly. Make sure to pick weatherproof wood and clear plastic for windows. This prevents warping and keeps light in. Put on safety gear now. Set up tools nearby. These first steps set the foundation and save time later because accurate prep prevents rework and structural problems. You now construct the frame, assemble base and wall studs, brace corners, and check for squareness with a level. Once the frame is solid, fasten wall panels to studs using screws and adhesive, and seal seams with weather tape so moisture stays out. Next, cut window openings carefully, fit clear plastic or glass, then trim and caulk to lock and insulation. Make sure to plan ventilation now, because proper airflow prevents condensation and keeps the interior comfortable. You finish by installing the roof panels and weatherproofing the exterior with paint or sealant. Once done, add trim and any gutters to direct water away. Inside, install flooring, shelves, and furniture scaled to your design to bring the Elsa house to life. Finally, inspect the entire build. If you find leaks or movement, reinforce joints with brackets and replace any warped panels immediately. A key tip: if condensation appears, add small vents or a desiccant pack to control moisture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.